let's learn how to calculate the number of stitches in zigzag crochet using wrist warmers as a subject. Once you've learned this method, you can use it not only for wrist warmers but also for a headband, neck warmer, leg warmers, and any other cylindrical objects. First, let me explain the basic rules. For example, let's think about the yarn. You need 10 stitches of single crochet to make a length of 10 centimeters. How many stitches should I make to make a fabric that fits 10 centimeters in length by zigzag crocheting with this wool yarn? The answer is between 1 and 2 times the number of single crochet stitches. If you crochet it with 1x, that is, the same number of stitches as single crochet, it will be 10 centimeters when you stretch the crocheted fabric to the maximum. If you crochet with double the number of stitches, it will be 10 centimeters without stretching the fabric at all. Then, when I crochet wrist warmers, I think about 1.6 times is just right. Lower the magnification if you want it to be tighter, and raise it if you want it to be looser. It means that it is okay if the range is between 1 to 2 times. Then, let's crochet it. When I make single crochet stitches with this wool yarn, I needed 19 stitches to crochet 10 centimeters. The length around my wrist is 17 centimeters, so if I crochet with single crochet, it will be about 32 stitches. Convert this into the number of stitches in the zigzag crochet. 32 by 1.6 equals 51.2 stitches. The number of stitches in one row of zigzag crochet must be an even number, so I decided to make it 52 this time. When the number of stitches is decided, I crochet zigzag chain stitches as a foundation and pile up the rows. For details on how to crochet, please see the previous video. This time, it is finished with the 10th row. Finally, the thread ends are tucked in to complete the process. This is the easiest size to make, so before you make a headband or leg warmers, please try to crochet it once and check your preferred magnification. Thank you for watching.